Welcome back, my fellow artistes, to yet another Tip Off Tuesday. This week, it's all about one of my favorite tools in my art set, the Mono Zero Eraser. I want to show you guys why I use it and why you need to have one in your toolkit. Oh my God. Let's just go. Now, there are many different types of erasers that you can use, but I've found that the Mono Zero eraser is the most versatile of all. Now, full disclaimer, this isn't an ad. I just really like this eraser. Now, not only is it perfect for getting into tight spaces and creating dimension, it also helps when creating other fine detail. Let me show you what I mean. All right, guys, so here's a couple points as to why I love the Mono Zero eraser from Tombow. First point is these erasers have smaller tips, which make for very, very good detail work because you can get into small spaces and create finer lines. Try doing that with a kneaded eraser. Point number 2, ergonomically, this eraser is easy and comfortable to hold because it pretty much is just like holding a pencil. So you have a lot more control of your tool, which makes detail work that much easier. And point number 3, now it's easy to maintain this eraser because when you buy it, it actually comes with some refills. So just like a traditional mechanical pencil, you go ahead and hit this. This is actually the main body of the eraser itself, and this is what your refills actually look like. They come in a tube. There's a couple of these in there. Then you just hit the button. It goes right back in. Just like that. Voila. So there you have it, guys. There are a couple reasons why I love it and why you should pick one up for yourself. So that is it. That is all I got for you guys this week. Now, as always, if you guys like this video and you dig what we're building here at Messer Creations, be sure to like and subscribe, hit the little bell, ding, so you guys can be notified when our newest videos come out. My name is Braden. You guys have just been tipped off. Hope you guys had fun, and I will see you in the next one.